How can I add teachers and learners to my courses? When a new account is created in Moodle, the account holder is called an authenticated user. They don't have a specific role on the site. It's the administrator's job to make them a learner or student or a teacher in the courses where they will learn or teach. This video explores how you can add users to courses one by one and give them the roles they need for that course, such as teacher or student. As an admin, you can add several users in bulk with a text file made from a spreadsheet program. To see how to do this, watch our video on How can I add users to my Moodle, bulk uploading, and read the documentation, Upload Users. To add users to a course, access the course, click the participants link on the left, and then click Enrol Users. As an admin, you can choose to enrol them as teachers, students, or other roles. When a regular course teacher clicks this button, they cannot enrol other teachers. If you need that, read the documentation Assign Roles for information on how you can allow teachers to enrol other teachers. Clicking Show More offers the option to specify the start date and length of enrolment. When you save, the newly enrolled users will appear in the participants list with their roles. You can make changes by clicking the Edit icon and remove them if needed by clicking the Unenrol icon. To summarise, admins can enrol teachers and learners in bulk into courses with a text file. Admins can enrol teachers and learners into individual courses from Participants-Enrol Users, and course teachers can enrol learners, that is, students, into their own courses from Participants-Enrol Users.